Dito sa Pampanga, ang Angeles City ang nakitaan natin na talaga namang napakabilis sa kanyang pag-unlad.
And Angeles City is the first city of Pampanga.
Actually guys, kami ni Mark, dito po kami sa Holy Angel University nag-aral. And way back then, this is the Heritage District. From that time up until now, grabe, ang dami ng mga upgrade.
Actually, ang dami ng development ngayon. So marami na tayong mga kainan, mga schools, even yung mga establishment dito, dumadami na rin.
Mga coffee shop, restaurants na talagang pwedeng puntahan ng mga tao.
Yes, isa doon, ang Veloce Tower.
Yes, so sa video na to guys, isasama namin po kayo. Papakita namin sa inyo ano ba yung update sa Veloce Tower. And kung kayo ay naghahanap ng lugar para sa inyong business, I think this video is for you.
Yes, sasamahan nyo kami. So tara, let's go!
Hello! We're in Pampanga. Welcome to Veloce Tower Mall. I'm Erica.
And I'm Anton. And let us tour you inside our ground floor of Veloce Tower Mall.
Pansin ko po sa mga Kapampangan na ano po sila, they're into business. Yes po. So they always want to double their income. So perfect po yung mga investment like commercial for those who want to expand their business.
Kapampangans have high pride because if they really want to do something, they'll really get it done.
Here po sa Angeles, most in demand po is residential. Since walking distance po tayo sa mga university and other establishment like offices, government office, banks, markets, and also commercial po.
Let's go.
This building is a mixed-use building. So we have our own bi-level mall. Right now po, we have Watson's and then Figaro. And we are here in our ground floor mall. So
This is the
yes.
elevator going up to the mezzanine. That's our elevators going to the offices. So we have two. So this is a space also, a sample space, which is about 21 square meters. So this is our elevators for the residential condo. So we will be having 3 elevators there. Let's head up to the mezzanine floor. Oh, hello everyone. This is the mezzanine floor. This is the next level to the mall space that we have here. We'll be having different businesses such as like the retail, jewelry shop, laundry, water station, and other businesses. Total units on the mezzanine floor, we have a total of 21. On the ground floor, we have a total of 19. Before buying a property, you always have to consider the location, no matter what. Commercial-wise of investing in Veloce Tower Mall, what's good about it is you wouldn't really find this a rare opportunity. What we have here is our ground floor mall space and our mezzanine. What we have is rent-to-own property, and imagine it's like just having a commercial establishment or your personal business inside a hotel. Oh, dito pala sa mall space namin, you could actually use it for your leasing business or you could use it for your personal business.
For more information and for those who want to own our 8 remaining units, you may contact us here. Thank you.